Hi, good evening dear students. Welcome back to second PUC online classes. In today's class, I explained about the continued part of the numerical problems of a dual nature of radiation and matter. Okay, problem number fifth one, numerical problem number 6. The work function of a cesium is, okay, this one is a very important problem. The work function of a cesium is 2.14 electron volt. Okay, this one is a work function of a cesium. Find first one, the threshold frequency. The first one, the threshold frequency. First one, threshold frequency. Second one, wavelength. Wavelength of the incident light if the photocurrent is brought to 0 by a stopping potential of 0.60 volt. Okay, write down the given data, given values. Given work function phi naught. Work function phi naught is equal to how much? 2.14 electron volt ಇದೆ. ವರ್ಕ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ವೋಲ್ಟು. ಇನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಜೋಲಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು 2.14 ಇಂಟು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ವೋಲ್ಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 1.6 ಇಂಟು 10 to the power of minus 19 ಜೋಲ್ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ವರ್ಕ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. ದೆನ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಚ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ, ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? ಪ್ಲಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಂಟ್ 6.63 ಇಂಟು 10 to the power of minus 34 ಜೌಲ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ? ಸ್ಟಾಪಿಂಗ್ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ವಿ ನಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0.60 ವೋಲ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಇದು ಸ್ಟಾಪಿಂಗ್ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಏನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲಿ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಥ್ರೆಶೋಲ್ಡ್ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ ನ್ಯೂ ನಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ವೇವ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್. We have to derive solve the first one. Work function phi naught is equal to h into nu naught. Already you know the formula, work function definition. Then nu naught is equal to phi naught divided by h. What is the value of phi naught here? 2.14 into 10 to the power 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 divided by h value 6.63 into 10 to the power of minus 34. After simplifying this one, we get 5.16 into 10 to the power of 14 hertz. This one is the threshold frequency nu naught. The next one, wavelength. Your wavelength formula, second one, wavelength EV naught is equal to kinetic energy EV naught is equal to HV minus phi naught. HV minus phi naught. Then EV naught is equal to H V new ಅಂತಂದವಾಗ ಏನು ತೊಗೊಂತೀರಿ C divided by lambda minus phi naught, because already you know C is equal to nu lambda, then nu is equal to C divided by lambda. In the place of nu we have to consider C divided by lambda. Then substitute the value of EV naught is equal to H C divided by lambda minus lambda naught. Therefore lambda is equal to, convert the equation, lambda is equal to HC divided by EV naught plus phi naught. Then lambda is equal to H value 6.63 into 10 to the power of minus 34. C value 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. It is the velocity of light. E value work function E value ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19. 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 E value. V naught value ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? What is the value of V naught? 0.60 volt. Okay, plus work function value 2.14 into 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 ಇದೆ. Then lambda is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19, 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 common, remaining here 0.60 plus 2.14. After multiplying this one, 6.63 into 3, we get 19.89 into 10 to the power of minus 26 divided by 0.60 plus 2.14 into 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19. Then final solution, final answer, lambda is equal to, after simplifying, okay, this one will we get 454 into 10 to the power of minus 9 meter. Lambda is equal to 454, 10 to the power of minus 9 means nanometer. Okay, this one is the final answer of the fifth one problem. Then next one, next problem number 6. The threshold frequency for a certain metal, the threshold frequency for a certain metal is 3.3 into 10 to the power of 14 hertz. If light of frequency 8.2 into 10 to the power of 14 hertz is incident on the metal, comma, predict the cutoff voltage for the photoelectric emission. For the photoelectric emission, write as given data solution. Given threshold frequency nu naught is equal to how much? 3.3 into 10 to the power of 14 hertz. This one is the threshold frequency. And normal frequency nu is equal to how much? 8.2 into 10 to the power of 14 hertz. This one is the threshold frequency and this one is the normal frequency. And E is equal to standard value 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulomb. H is equal to 6.63 into 10 to the power of minus 34 joule second. Next, apply the formula. Kinetic energy maximum is equal to h nu minus work function phi naught. In the place of kinetic energy, we have to consider the E V naught and h nu minus h nu naught, because work function phi naught is equal to h nu. E V naught is equal to h common, remaining nu minus nu naught. We have to find out stopping potential. V naught is equal to h nu minus nu naught divided by E. V naught is equal to h value 6.63 into 10 to the power of minus 34 into nu value 8.2 minus 3.3 into 10 to the power of 14 common, divided by E value 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19. After simplify this one calculation, we get 2.0292 volt. This one is the stopping potential. This one is the final answer, stopping potential. Next, problem number 7. Light of frequency light of frequency 8.41 into 10 to the power of 14 hertz is incident on a metal surface, full stop. Electrons with their maximum speed of 7.5 into 10 to the power of 5 meter per second are ejected from the surface full stop. Calculate the threshold frequency calculate the threshold frequency for photo emission of electrons, Also find the work function of the metal in electron volt EV in electron volt a given H is equal to 6.63 into 10 to the power of minus 34 joule second. Mass of electron ME is equal to 9.1 into 10 to the power of minus 31 kg. Next, solution. Kinetic energy is equal to H nu minus half m into v square. Formula phi naught is equal to H nu minus half m square. Formula phi naught is equal to H value 6.63 into 10 to the power of minus 34. New value 8.41 into 10 to the power of minus 14 minus half m into v square. Half m value, mass of an electron 9.1 into 10 to the power of minus 31 m into v square value. V value 7.5 into 10 to the power of 5 whole square. Then phi naught is equal to, simplify this one, we get 3.012 into 10 to the power of minus 19 joule. Okay, convert this one in terms of electron volt. Phi naught is equal to 3.012 into 10 to the power of minus 19 divided by 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 electron volt. Okay, these two are cancel. Phi naught is equal to 1.88 EV. This one is a work function over. Then threshold frequency. Next, using phi naught is equal to H nu naught, and nu naught is equal to phi naught divided by H. Then nu naught is equal to phi naught value 1.88, in terms of joule, this one is a value. Phi naught value in terms of joule, that one is the 3.012 into 10 to the power of minus 19 divided by H value 6.62 into 10 to the power of minus 34. After simplifying this one, we get 4.547 into 10 to the power of 14 hertz. Okay, this one is a threshold frequency.